Hi, everybody, and welcome to BMNG5122. So the purpose of this video is to help you get started with your BMNG5122 module and to ensure that you have everything you need to begin your learning journey with confidence. So in this video, I'll show you how to navigate ARC, which is your online learning platform. You'll also learn where to find and access your student material. So this includes your assignments, your module outlines, etc., as well as showing you where to access your resources and other important information that you need from the ARC platform. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to navigate the module sites and access everything you need to start off the semester successfully. Okay, so the first thing is ARC. When you log onto the module, you need to scroll right down on this first landing page. So it's very important that you become familiar with your calendar. So your calendar will basically state exactly what is happening within your module, the dates, the times, etc. So for example, if you would like to access your live session links, so your links to join your live session, you'll go to your calendar. And if you just click on this, for example, so July the 20th, you can see your link is there. So for tomorrow's lesson, which is the 20th of July, you'll go to calendar and you can access your live link via the calendar. Your calendar will also have reminders for you in terms of your due dates or deadlines, for example, your ICE tasks. So you need to familiarize yourself with calendars. So the next part I would like to show you is your content page. So remember, my view might be a little bit different because I've got an admin view compared to the view that you see as a student. So if you select the content page, you'll see there's a first tile. The first tile is called your welcome page. So again, this is just to let you know of the SPICE model that we are doing for your module, which is your Business Management 1B. There's also videos from all three lecturers, just to give you a bit of background about ourselves, etc. So a main focus for me on this particular page is your semester planner. So your semester planner will tell you exactly what you need to know and set the tone for the semester. So, for example, if we look at the first point on your semester planner, it is the 20th of July, which is tomorrow. So you will look at or cover Learning Unit 1, and thereafter you'll see that the next week you don't have a live session, you'll have a recorded session. So what that means for this particular module is that your live sessions will be every alternative Monday. So if you work with your semester planner, it'll help you set the tone and pace for the semester. It'll also keep you on track. So for example, the first live lesson that you have for this module is Learning Unit 1. So you are required to read chapter 11 of your prescribed textbook. If you look on the left-hand side, below semester planner is your live lectures. So you'll have this page just tells you to refer to your calendar, as I previously showed you, in order to access your live sessions. If you look through, you've got your module information, your prescribed textbook, etc. So basically what you would find on your module outline, you'll find within this space on ARC. You've got your learning units here from learning unit 1 to 6. And it's important for you to go through each learning unit because there are beautiful micro assessments that have been put in place just to help you along the semester. So the purpose of the micro assessment is just to test your understanding of each learning unit. So we'd like to encourage you to complete your micro assessments as you navigate through the semester. And you'll see you'll have micro assessments for all your learning units. You've also got a folder with lecturer resources. So all three lecturers will put together their resources in each or a particular learning unit. So you will have resources from all three lecturers from learning unit 1 to 6. There is also a page where you can access your recordings. So if you click this particular link, it'll take you to the YouTube playlist where all lecturer recordings for this module will be uploaded. It's very important for me to mention that you have 2 ICE tasks for this module. Your ICE task deadline is the 4th of October. And remember, with ICE, it's the same as semester 1. Your ICE counts towards 10% of your final mark. So it's very important that you do this. I would like to encourage you not to leave your ICE towards the deadline. because we understand life happens. So try and work ahead of schedule so that you meet this deadline by the 4th of October. No ICE tasks that are submitted after this date will be considered. So work ahead and ensure that you submit your stuff on time. Again, assignment resources. This is resources to assist you with your assignment. So these are support videos. So if you scroll down here, you'll see there are there is already an assignment 1 recording as well as assignment 2. So try and work ahead of your pace just to ensure that you are on top of things. And again, you know where to submit your assignments, your formative 1, your formative 2, which is assignment 1, assignment 2. Okay. So that's your content page within ARC. An important page also within ARC is your announcement page. So remember, your announcement page is a way for your lecturers to communicate with you. So you need to ensure that you are constantly checking your announcements because, as I just said, this is our way of corresponding with you and letting you know what's happening, important deadlines, etc. So it's our way of communicating with you. So if you look, we've got 2 announcements that have been posted already. So you need to ensure that you check this regularly so that you do not miss out on any important information. Okay, so that's the ARC platform. If we go onto Emira's website to access our student material, once you get to the Emira's website, you need to go to My Emira's. Okay, once you land on this particular page, you need to access My Academics. And it's very important for you to access this page regularly as well. You've got access to your academic calendar. And remember, when you search on My Academics, you have to search per faculty. And we are the Faculty of Commerce, so School of Management Studies. So you'll be able to access your academic calendar, your PASS, your timetable. I would just like to show you your PASS. So this is an important document because it highlights your deadlines for the semester for all your modules. So if you click on PASS and go to Faculty of Commerce, School of Management Studies, you get to this particular page. You need to ensure that you select the Bachelor of Commerce qualification, term 2, meaning we are in semester 2, and you will click Emirates. You can also download it. So this is your Emirates IIE BM 701 schedule, which is your Bachelor of Commerce schedule. All your modules within this qualification, your deadlines are here. So for this particular video, we're focusing on your BMNG 5122 module. So if you scroll to the side, you can see your assignment 1 is due on the 3rd of September at this particular time, 23:59. Please note that any assignments that are submitted after the deadline, you automatically receive a 15% deduction for a late submission. Your assignment 2 is due on Friday, the 9th of October. It's very important that you constantly check your PASS because there are instances where your PASS will be updated. So you need to always ensure that you've got the latest version. Okay, so that's your PASS. Another important part of this particular My Academics page is your timetable. So if you go to timetable and scroll again to Faculty of Commerce, School of Management Studies, you need to select Bachelor of Commerce distance. And this is your final timetable. So as I said, this is your timetable for your full qualification. Please ensure that you have access to this at all times. So for example, we have different sessions that's available to you. There's academic orientation sessions, there's library support sessions. So if you just hover over this live document and click it, you'll see it'll take you straight to the session. Okay, so you already have access to all of the sessions. Okay, so that's your timetable. Again, the importance of My Emirates or My Academics is if you scroll down, you have access to your student material, library, past papers, Emirates Assist. So remember, if you do have an issue throughout the semester and you need to raise a ticket, you can access it via here. But I would like to show you how to access your student material. So if you select student material, before you do anything on this particular page, you need to go to the search bar and type in BMNG5122. Now, the key to access um, is put a W at the end of your module code, because the W now will allow you to only have access to distance material because you're a distance student. So if we search BMNG 5122, we're going to select 2026. Remember term 2 for semester 2. And yeah, you can see you've got access to assignment 1, assignment 2, additional reading for learning unit 6, as well as your module outline. So it's important for you to download all your material ahead of time so that you've got all your resources, etc., prior to you starting the semester. So in order to download, if you just hover over, for example, assignment 1, you've got the 3 dots. If you just click the 3 dots and go download, it will download your assignment for you. Okay, so again, it's important for you to ensure that you've got everything you need in order to have a successful semester. Remember, if you have an issue, to log a ticket on Emirates Assist, ensure that you have all your student material, you've got access to your timetable, and that you make use of all the sessions that's provided for you as you navigate through the semester.